Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how to plot quadratic graphs. So we will follow an approach called SIT approach. So the first thing in SIT is shape. So we need to decide whether it's a N-shaped graph or U-shaped graph. If you look at this equation, the coefficient of x squared is negative. Therefore, this graph will give you an N-shaped graph. So this graph will looks like this, an N shape. If the coefficient of x squared is positive, then that will give us a U-shaped graph. Some people also say this is a convex and this is concave, right? This looks like a cave. The next one in SIT is intersection. We need to find out where the graph intersect. If you look at this one, this graph intersecting at y, intersecting at x here in two places. So first we need to find the y-intercept. So y-intercept happen when x is equal to 0. If x equals 0, then y is equal to 8. So the y-intercept is going to be 0, 8. Next is we need to find the interception at the x-axis. So the interception x-axis happen when y equal to 0. So if you want to find the x-intercept, we need to solve this quadratic equation because y is actually 0. If you solve this one, it would be x plus 4 and x plus 2 equal to 0. From this you know that x equal to minus 4 and x equal to minus 2. So those are the intercept. This is minus 2 and this is minus 4. And what about this one? This one we already know that this graph is upside down. If you want to solve this one, first we need to find the y-intercept. X equals 0, y equal 8. So this intercept is 0, 8. Then if you want to find the x-intercept, so if you solve this one, x minus x squared plus 6x equals 0. If you use the quadratic formula to solve this equation, you will get the first solution is 3 plus root 17. Another one is 3 minus root 17. So this one is 3 plus root 17 and this one is 3 minus root 17. So now we found the 3 intercept. The final one in SIT is the turning point T. So in order to find the turning point, we need to do completing the square. If you do the completing square, this would become x plus 3 square minus 1, which means this coordinate is going to be, this is minus 1. This would happen when x equal to minus 3. This coordinate is minus 3 comma minus 1. So that's a turning point. Similarly, this one, if you do the completing the square for this one, let me quickly do this completing. So let's take a minus outside. So it will be x squared minus 6x minus, we can go x minus 3 squared minus 8. This is going to be equal to minus x minus 3 squared plus 17. So from this completion we know that this is going to be 17 and that's what happen when x equal 3. So this turning point is 3, 17. So this is how you plot a quadratic function. And to summarize, we need to follow this 4-point approach. First one is First one is we need to find the shape. The second one is we need to find the intercept, shape intercept, and the fourth one is finding the turning point using complete the square. So thank you so much for watching this video.